Hello guys, we're gonna have a video tutorial on making a cool professional looking website. I'm gonna give you an example. This is the one that I created. And so first go to freehostingnoads.net and sign up. But since I've already signed up, I log in and go straight to my control panel. So here's the control panel. It looks kind of confusing at first, but I'm going to clarify this for you. First, we are going to go to the domain manager. Now, if we want this to be free, we're going to create a free subdomain, and you can choose all of these nice extensions. I usually go with @webpages.com. So, what should I name this? Well, I'm just gonna make this a YouTube example. Well, I just make one for my channel. Okay, good. Now if you open this website just for fun, this is our first page. Just very simple. Nothing's really here. Okay. Now let's go back to our dashboard, and we are going to click Zaki Tools Install. And this is where we're going to install the platform for our website, which is called WordPress. And we're going to click Browse and Install Apps. And we're going to click WordPress. This version might be different, but that's okay. And as you can see, over 30% of all websites are powered by WordPress, including the Sweden official government website, the White House website, and so many more that I can't really remember right now. Proceed to step. Okay. Now we can view our site. If we reload, and we have this beautiful WordPress just website. And we're now going to go right here to log in with the email address that we used. And we're at our dashboard. That's nice. Okay. So there's a few things we want to do. We're going to go to comments. And yes, comment must be manually approved. So we're going to save changes. Good. That's the first thing we want to do. Now people can't post random comments and spam our website. Okay. And then now what we're going to do is we're going to use something called plugins. So right here there's a convenient menu called plugins. And there's some plugins I like to delete. Hello Dolly you can delete. If you're a fan of the classic editor, then don't deactivate it, don't delete it, but I honestly I like Gutenberg. I don't know why people hate it. Okay, there we go, we're done with plugins. Now one of the most important parts of making our website is themes. So we're going to go to Appearance and Themes. And we're going to click Add New. Oh wait, actually, if you like one of the themes here, then you can just choose it. But we're going to click Add New. And there's a lot of themes. And you can preview this theme to see how it will look. I really like that loading screen. I'm not a big fan of that theme. How about... Oh, that looks cool, but I'm not a huge news website. So, I mean, usually when I'm in doubt, I just use Astra. which I don't think is available here. Oh wait, yeah, it is available. So if I preview it, it looks meh. I use this theme for most websites. I'm gonna go install that right now. I built a client's website with this too, so installed and activate our theme. Huh, interesting. Good. Now let's go home. And we're gonna copy our web address, and we're gonna see how our website looks now. See, it looks different because we changed our theme. So since I'm not making a blog, I usually like to delete all posts. Okay. And now we are going to customize our site. Okay, so this is a pretty important stage. It's gonna load. Okay, good. And now we're gonna look right here in the, I think it's global. No, it's not. So I'm pretty sure that it is. Where did it go? Yeah, homepage settings, yes. And then I'm gonna click a static page, which will be sample page for now. And I'm not gonna choose a post page. So here's our new front page. And this is our menu. And another thing I would like to do is something called favicons. If you see right here, this is a favicon, right? This icon. And our favicon is very boring. So what we're gonna do to create our own simple favicon is we're just gonna generate one. So we're going to choose just PNG, regular PNG file. I don't know. I usually like to use this just because, only 16. I usually like to do wait, sorry. I was thinking to HTML. WordPress, it's so much easier. We don't need to convert to echo. All we need to do is go to global. Wait, no, not global. All we need to do is we are going to go to, oh, where's my bad? I think it's, where'd it go? That's strange. I think it's in header. Oh yeah, header then site identity. Okay. So we are going to select our logo. Which will be this file. Good, select. And I'm not gonna crop this. Oh wow, that's way too big. Let me make that smaller. I think a 50 would be nice. 50. Good. And then site icon. We're going to select that same image. Good. And that's how our website is going to look. So now we have done the basics. If you want to remove these, you can easily do that. So you can add search, you can add a title, search this website is usually what I do. I remove recent comments because we just disallowed it. Recent posts, same thing. Archives, I like to remove it. Categories, I remove everything except these. Okay, so now our website is a nice, clean website. Now, so since we have not much time left, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how to create some pages. So we're gonna click edit, and I'm going to rename this page home. And let's say I customize this and I want to add an image or something, and I can add any of these I want, or I can click browse all. And let's say I wanted to add a pull quote, and I can write my quote, and then it will show up on my screen. Since I don't want my quote from me, actually, let's just leave it there. We click update, and then we view our page, and boom. What you need to do is go to dashboard, and another important thing is once you've published your site, if you want to edit it again, go to your website /WP admin. Then you can create new pages, and you can customize it. Let me schedule this. You click schedule, and it's now live. It appears on your menu. Okay, so there's a few things we should do now. Now we should, we don't want search engines to discourage your site. I don't know why that's, yeah, that will be, save changes. Okay, good. Now we'll look at our site health. And notice that there are some improvements that we can do. We should remove inactive themes. So these things we don't really need, and it might cause security issues, so let me just delete these. Delete theme, okay. Theme details, delete. Delete. Okay. Good. Oh yes, default theme. We need to install a default theme just in case Astra fails, which is very unlikely. So our default theme will be 2020. Yeah, right there. Oh, where did it go? 2020. Okay. I'll see how our site looks with each of the default themes. Okay, I will install 2017 just in case, because I like that the best. Good. We're not going to activate it because we only want it as a backup. And these are going, and the rest we can fix later. Okay. Now, I'm gonna show you how you can manage your menu and make the order different, because our order is kind of wonky right now. As you can see, our order is really wonky. Contact and home, that's a very interesting layer. So we're gonna create a new menu right here. This is gonna, I don't know, be called menu. And we're gonna add all the pages. Add to menu. And we're gonna drag them in the order we want. So if I wanted to do that, I could, but currently I want it like this. So I click save menu. Oh, be sure to check this. So whenever we create a new page, it always gets added to this menu. Save. Nice. Good. See? The order is changed. Now there are a few things that I recommend we do. First of all is install some plugins. So we're going to add a plugin that basically lets us customize our login screen. We're going to search plugins. I love WordPress. I'm really satisfied with this plugin. Install now. It's installed and I'm going to activate it. Nice. Okay. So now we'll go to Appearance and we're going to go to WordPress. I usually don't do this. It's just personal information. Okay, now we have our login screen and now we can edit this. I will change our logo to our logo. Actually, since I don't have enough storage, I'm not gonna like fuss with that. I would usually put our logo here, but I'm kind of lazy. So, I mean, that's usually all I have to do. I might make this a little bigger. Oh goodness. Something like this would be good. Publish. Now our login screen looks beautiful. If you're concerned about security, I think you should install all-in-one WordPress, the security, the loginizer. That's what it's called, loginizer. And yeah, I really like this. Wait, yeah. I'm gonna activate this. Good, settings. And we're gonna include all of these. Loginizer security, and we're gonna, oh wait, sorry. And we can see all the failed login attempts, max retries before logging out, and I really love Loginizer. And it's by Softaculous, which is actually really creditable. Okay, that's good. Mostly this is good. Now, if we wanted to, we can just add more things. And if we wanted to create, oh wait, I'm gonna show you guys how to create a blog now. So, WordPress was originally used for blogging, but then people made it for personal sites. So, I'm gonna click customize. Wait, actually before that, sorry about that, we're gonna create a new page. And what's interesting about this is gonna be named blog. Yes, this is going to be named blog, and I'm going to leave nothing, okay? Schedule, I'm going to schedule that. And as we see, there is nothing. This is good, okay? So now we're going to go to customize. And we are, oh, sorry about that. Not what I wanted to do. So now we are going to do, no, I'm messing this up again. Homepage settings, yes. Post page. This is going to be our blog. So this is where our posts are going to be. Oh wait. Good. We're going to publish this. And now after we add some posts, we're gonna make them pop up right here. Gonna go to dashboard, go to posts, all posts, add new. Website created. Just add anything you would like. Images, lists, paragraphs. Hooray! This website was created. And yes, I'm going to enter. I'm going to add a heading, a random scheduling this. Good. So now we go into blog and we see our blog post. We can add multiple, we can, I'm just too lazy to do it right now. Let's go back to our dashboard. Oh yes, okay, so we're gonna change our layout. Oh wait, sorry, never mind. Yes, we're gonna change our layout to something like this, and it has now a cool, nice look inside it. And I honestly think this is cool, but some people wouldn't like it. So we are going to be adding a social login to our website. So let's go to plugins and add new. And we are going to search for Ultimate Member. And we're going to install. And now we're going to activate our plugin. And we're going to create our pages. Save changes. Good. Now we are going to create a master page for our social pages. So we're going to add a new page. And we're going to name it social. Have an explanation saying that in the dropdown there will be your social name. So in hover over this a text to this page to see more pages. These are our websites. You can change this. It doesn't really matter. You can make it longer. But this is just a YouTube video. So. Good. Social's now live. And what we want to do is we want to go to our dashboard and we want to manage our menus. So what we're going to do is we're going to put social right next to blog, and we're going to group all of these items inside. And what I like to do is let me save this first. So if we visit our website, you'll see that here, the user page, which is my user page. This is my user page. The login. So let me log out to show you how this will look. So the login and the register, they look nearly exactly the same. Some people like to keep them, but I usually take them out. But let's just keep them for now. So, back to our dashboard. Probably gonna ask me to log in again. And now we're gonna go to Ultimate Member and Dashboard to see all of our members. And this is clearing cache so that our site loads faster. And so one approved, and we can click here to see users, and we can add a new user so they can log on our login.